Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're doing a video on what you should not do. And that is, you should never mow your grass when the grass is wet. Now, you might ask yourself, why did I do this? Was it for the purposes of a video? No, it wasn't. I actually decided to make the video when I was halfway cleaning this, but I had a busy schedule this week, so I started Monday night and wanted to finish mowing. So I actually got up early enough on Tuesday to finish what I was doing Monday. And of course there's dew. It wasn't raining or anything, but it was actually very nice out. But the problem was, this is what happens. So this, I've already cleaned out clumps of it. So as you can see, all these clumps right here have already been cleaned out. But this is what it looks like. I had just put brand new blades on this. Not brand new blades, but just sharpened them. This is one use of it being wet. Okay, it's perfectly clean before this. I mean, it's all in here. It's all here, 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 here. I mean, it's just like everywhere. One time mowing it, and it was clumped over here. I scraped that out, scraped this out. I mean, just look at this. Look at that. Look at that. This is, people do this all the time, and I'm just willing to say it. It's dumb. It's foolish, and I feel dumb for doing it once. I've done this one time in 22 years because I had a tight schedule, and I don't think I'll ever do this again. I knew it was a bad idea, but I was just, trying to get stuff done so my yard doesn't look like garbage all the time. But it's not good. These were brand new blades, and you can't tell, but there's places where it's higher and lower than others just because the blades just don't cut very well when the blades are wet and the grass is wet. So that's the other thing. When it's dry, the grass is going to cut better. The blades are going to cut better. I don't have near this kind of crud, so I'm going to have to keep scraping it off and then hit it with a sprayer, let it dry. I'm going to probably have to resharpen these blades. I mean, I'm this far, so I'm going to take those off, resharpen them. I mean, it's just one time, but they've probably already really dull. I mean, just look like the mulch kit now. Might not be this bad if you don't have a mulch kit. I will say that, but lots of people have mulch kits. So, if you're new at taking care of lawns, mow when the grass is dry. It's better on your equipment. It's better on your lawn. It's going to look better, but it's nasty if you do this when the stuff is wet. It's just super nasty. Again, this is one time. Anyway, I hope this video hit somebody that was, new to lawn mowing or something, so they could learn something early on and not mow with a deck with a wet deck and a wet lawn. All right, folks, so probably what's going to end up being about an hour of cleaning and also sharpening blades. Was it really worth it to get that job done yesterday morning or 2 days ago? It was very nice mowing the yard. I'm telling you, it was a very nice climate. Didn't even have to get a shower. It's the first time I think I've ever mowed the yard where I didn't have to get a shower, at least this time of year. But I cleaned up all the grass out of all 4 tires. That was a large amount. About half the grass was there, and then half the grass was on the deck. I don't think there was any grass clippings left in the yard based on, this is just unbelievable amount of grass here. So, I mean, it's just crazy. So anyway, so I'm going to sharpen these blades, get them back on, and never do this again. So if you're new to mowing, don't mow when the grass is wet. If you like the video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate that, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.